If you ever tried drilling into concrete and your drill was slipping or it felt like your drill was dying, you were probably using the wrong system. Today I'm going to explain the real difference between a standard drill bit and an SDS drill bit, when to use each one and why one of them is much better for the concrete. This right here is a standard drill bit with a straight shank. Notice the bottom part right here. It's completely smooth and round. This type of drill bit is held in place by friction. Your drill chuck tightens around it and that's what transfers the power. This is basically what most people have at home, and this works great for wood, metal, plastic and even light masonry. Now this right here is an SDS bit. Look at the bottom part right here. It has grooves and slots. This bit is not designed to be tightened in a normal chuck. Actually, it's designed for a special SDS drill where it locks with a click. In an SDS drill, you don't tighten anything. You just push it in and it locks automatically. Now, this is where most people get confused. A hammer drill is not the same as an SDS rotary hammer. My Bosch hammer drill, right here for example, it's still a normal chuck drill. It can vibrate, it can hammer, but it still holds that drill bit with friction. If I try to put an SDS bit into this drill, it doesn't even fit properly. Even if I manage to tighten it, it's still not designed for the system. This is exactly why many people think that their drill is broken, but it's not broken. You are just trying to fit a wrong bit into your drill. Now, why SDS rotary hammer is better for concrete? For one main reason, it doesn't rely on friction to transfer the power. The grooves physically lock into the drill mechanism. That means no slipping, better impact transfer and more efficient drilling, less stress on the chuck. In a real SDS rotary hammer, the bit actually moves slightly back and forth. This movement allows the internal hammer mechanism to hit much harder than a normal hammer drill. Now, if you're trying to drill hard concrete with a standard bit in a regular hammer drill, here's what happens. The bit can slip, the chuck can loosen, it takes so much longer, the drill overheats. You feel like you are fighting the wall. That is not because the drill is bad, it's because this system is not designed for heavy concrete. But standard bits are perfect for wood, for metal and for small do-it-yourself jobs. They are more precise and they are more versatile. Now, you really need an SDS bit and an SDS rotary hammer when you work with concrete more often, when you drill large diameter holes or when you drill deep anchor holes or when you work on construction projects more often. If you drill just a few holes per year, just a normal hammer drill will do the job. One of the most common mistakes I see people make is that they will buy an SDS bit but they don't have an SDS rotary hammer, or they will buy this hammer drill thinking that any kind of bit can go into it, but the tool and the bit must match. Here's a simple version. A standard straight shank, it's great for general use. An SDS shank, it's great for more serious concrete drilling. I drill into concrete almost all the time. That's why I love and recommend this one. If this video helped you to understand the difference between these two bits a little bit better, then my job is done here. And as a small thank you, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you want to see more similar do-it-yourself videos, then check out the suggestions on the screen. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!